evening, everyone. Myself, Dr. Vanshika. We are meeting again today. I hope you and your family all are doing very well according to health. And as we know, cases are still increasing, and the condition is not good in the healthcare system. So we need to start taking precaution by ourselves, just to remind or recap all the things whatever we had discussed. So I'm here. So continuing with the things which we need to take care is, we need to take proper diet. We need to maintain a biological clock of eating. We should not stay empty stomach, and moreover we should not overeat. So we need to take small frequent meals at proper timings and at frequent intervals. Second thing is that we need to stay hydrated. We need to take at least 10 to 12 glasses of water daily. Beside water, we can add juices, we can add soups in our diet, and we can also add ORS or Glucon-D, whatever you suits to you. And with that, you need to do breathing exercises daily, at least for 10 minutes, or in 3 sets a day you can go ahead. Along with that, you need to take care of like hygiene. Like you need to take plain water steam at least twice a day, in morning or evening. If it is not possible for you to do twice a day, at least do once a day. With that, you have to do night brushing daily. Along with night brushing, you can do betadine gargling, just to cleanse your throat. If you are having throat pain, throat hoarseness, throat inflammation, you can do betadine you can use betadine mouthwash and do gargling at least once, twice, or thrice a day. With that, you need to stay relaxed, stay calm. Everything has a solution, so we need to keep a check. These are the routine which we need to take care. Along with that, those who are on medications or those people who are COVID positive, they must take their medicines on time. Besides, what temperature increasing, decreasing, be regular with the medicines, because we had noticed that the COVID fever, those who are suffering from COVID, few people are recovering in a day or so, but few are there whose temperature used to or above 100 or around 100 for third, fourth, fifth day even. So if you are COVID positive, you need to take precaution for at least 10 to 15 days minimum. Moreover, even after that, you can maintain your routine and take your supplements properly as guided by your doctor, right? So nothing to worry about. Stay calm, maintain your routine. And furthermore, adding to the routine, I'm discussing about what we need to keep a check when we are positive or our near and dear one is positive. One thing is that we need to monitor the temperature, that how it is increasing, because it's not only COVID where we are getting fevers. In typhoid, in malaria, and it's like normal viral fevers, again we need to keep a check the pattern of temperature rise. So we need to have a thermometer, which is a must in every home, to monitor the temperature. So we need to check it at least in the morning and in the noon and in the night. So वैसे तो हमें खुद पता चल जाता है कि हमारा फीवर कब बढ़ रहा है, but yes, we need to keep a check in the morning and in the noon and in the night. Second thing, to know the pattern of increasing temperature, like evening rise of temperature is the indication of some other fever, and only the fever at night or the fever at whole day is a sign of others conditions which we need to rule out. So you need to keep a check with your doctors that how you have to work out on that. Moreover, with that, today I'm discussing about a very important gadget, that is pulse oximeter. This is pulse oximeter. I think everybody must have at their home now. You might have listened about that on your WhatsApp and on the news and the YouTube के gadget रहता है. It is a small version of oximeter which is there in the hospital. This is a very small gadget which you can buy it from your nearby shop or online as well. So I'm just telling you out how you can use that at home, and for whom it is important. It is important for those who are having respiratory problems, जिनको एस्थमा की दिक्कत है, सांस की दिक्कत है, पहले से दवाइयाँ चल रही हैं, या फिर जिनका बीपी, शुगर या कोई और दवाई साथ में ले रहे हैं किसी चीज़ के लिए रेगुलरली. तो दिस इज़ द गैजेट विच यू मस्ट हैव एट योर होम. सो हाउ यू कैन यूज़ इट, इसको यूज़ कैसे करना है, ये गैजेट है, ठीक है. आई होप इट इज़ विजिबल. येस. सो ये गैजेट है, इसमें वाइट बटन होता है स्टार्टिंग में, आप इसको प्रेस करोगे इट विल गेट ऑन. Once it is on, then there's a push written on the side. You just need to push and you need to insert a finger on this red light. Just stop it over here. Hold it for 30 seconds. You will get the exact reading. See, it's blinking now. So, it is getting the reading. So, what I'm checking, its reading is PO2, like pulse oxygen. Oxygen saturation is showing 99 and pulse rate is showing in nearby to it's 90. So it is 99 is SpO2 and pulse rate is 91, which is quite normal. So how we can check it's normal or not? If it is going beyond or below 90, so it is a concern. You must check with your doctor that what to do, right? Most of the time whenever oxygen levels gets below 90, your pulse rate start increasing. So nothing to panic about, just connect with your doctor and take the precautionary actions. If it is above 95, so it's quite normal. Maintain your daily routine and whatever routine I had guided you for the breathing exercises and your dietary habits. And if it is below 95, like it's 92, 91, 93, then it is very must for you to do the breathing exercise to improve your lung capacity and your respiration. So in all situations you have to stay calm, but you have to stay focused, maintain your routine, improve the morale boost up of do the morale boost up of your near and dear ones and keep in touch with them. So nothing to get panic about, but yes, you need to be get over concerned or over conscious to take care of yourself and maintain your routine. So with this, wishing you a very good health. Take care, stay blessed, stay healthy.